You see the bearing?
Yeah. See it? Right. See one piece loose and then
So you think it's bad?
well, it feels like it's uneven to me, young too. Yeah. Yeah, that's
2005 Honda Odyssey bearing.
bearing like that. Who knows?
So are we gonna buy this from Honda?
I mean, we take this apart and see how the pushing is. It doesn't look cracked on there.
Okay. 2006 Honda Odyssey, driver's side.
How much was the bearing? $40?
65 or something? From Honda?
Oh no, stripping. Yeah, but oh, you already got the strut right there.
You want me to give you some oil? You want some penetrating oil? It's right there.
Oh, the penetrating?
Is that what you're asking for? Is that like a lock washer in the middle?
No. Just a washer. Just a cap.
So what's stopping us with a gun shooting that out?
I don't know, because the stem was spin.
You mean this will spin? We can't put a flathead in there?
Oh, yeah, let's do this.
You could put a flathead in there? Maybe I cannot put a flathead in there. I can only hit.
Maybe. Good idea. Some too, yeah? We're good. And up the stems too. And we both the tension.
Oh, that's why you need two tools.
That's why we need the two tools. This one goes deeper. Let's cut it off. Oh, there we go. It broke it. It broke the
friction?
It's easier once we hit that penetrating one. It'd be nice if we could take the other one off. Huh? I mean, we could take the strut off. We just can't take the CV off. So, let's figure out how to do that. Huh?
Well, what happens if you get something to go into an impact and shoot it the other way?
When you shoot what the other way?
The Allen. Put an Allen in there and shoot the impact in there.
No, ideally, you turn the nut.
Oh.
What's that?
We have ratcheting versions of that.
Oh.
What number is that?
17.
Huh?
It's fine. Almost there.